Erica,
go and go clean up your microwave. Erica, go and go learn to use your dirty pussy. Kingston say you only know to use your blood clot mouth. Erica, in your mouth, come like on piss and blood clot tissue buck up in a chimney. Erica, you can't talk to no girl, Erica.
IG need to save the comment them, you know. Make you live them sweeter.
I don't know if you not see the picture. You can't come talk to no blood clot, girl. In dirty blood clot, idiot girl, all on our mascot. But now ask Christ. Well, I need to gear up and come beat this little girl. Gear up and come blood clot beat me. Are you dirty here drinking, Berry? Berry, when you can't come out and show me a nice blood clot place at dinner, and when you can't come out and see that in your house, Berry, but may I tell you, Kandy, it's going to be a store for sure. Them want to see my foot so bad, tell them to come out to the store for sure. A store for sure. And when this is blood clot in there, they are see the pity they were very
Somebody can't show us sitting now. All in the ear, show for sure.
so why you not show something, Kandy?
I should not talk to me. I mean, I have nothing to show. I mean, I have nothing to show.
Very anytime you can come out and show a blood.
Berry, come show your body wall, Berry. Come show your body wall. Me sorry say Berry asleep because Berry that come and split him back in wall. I say she just show her food. Somebody call Chin, let me call Chin and say Chin answer. So she can come show her body. Hold on.
Remember, Uno said the girl mad, you know, just to show, you know, Uno more mother than she. Because you don't believe or no one believe. But when people
the girl Tanya.
Uno feel like people not believe.
She and Tanya no friends there. Fretdem not forget Tanya. Tanya come tell we about her food. Tanya come tell we say Fretdem have some sickness.
Girl, we have to hide behind internet.
She's not a friend.
Time I act like that. Them life is so full of
like Chin asleep.
No, I'm not ask her that.
Guess what? Me don't have to come up on Instagram and say my boy.
Hey, pretty.
Hey, Puss, what's going on?
Show something, show something. Show your body, show your foot, show something, something. Something need to be sure.
Okay, Diary said we must be quiet, shall listen.
Let me get the comments off.
Just like that. I'm gonna make the internet be my life. Big dot thinking over your back.
Hold on.
Puss, when you're on my blood clot picture, and when you done on the side clot,
your turn, Push.
Transfer the post when him there be that see. And then see him as girl in blood clot love. You Puss, you can't talk about nobody. I'm sorry, they never found down your blood clot.
Rotten that. Look at that woman, rotten that blood clot, Fretdem. Fretdem with your blood clot, your whole collapse in the blood clot, Fretdem. Look at that woman, the little. Fretdem, rotten that blood clot, Fretdem. Blood clot, Fretdem, if you the clot, Fretdem, if you the land of blood clot, aye. Where you say blood clot, dog face, Anky Franky, blood clot face, Fretdem, and I want to blood clot. Fretdem magic can't, yeah, we whole of your body magic up my blood clot. Fretdem take off the black clot. Wave the black clot off of your blood clot, Fretdem. Wave the blood clot, black clot, Fretdem. See body mouth, you say body mouth, see body mouth, show our mouth there. So come now. You come now, come show your rotten foot now, Fretdem, on the Kandy Lake show. That's what you say. Eh? Move your one.
Somebody's texting my phone right now.
I go like say you're somebody cuss with your blood clot, all religion blood clot. All time religion cussing your cuss. Move your blood clot.
Hepatitis C. He look like he got all the fucking diseases meet up together.
Fretdem with our own religion cussing them. Fretdem, go from here, sir, move your blood clot and go. Your walk list of blood clot, you say you have 3 house and your husband, this and a Jew have to bail you out. You know, sister, not nothing. Nothing blood clot.
in Jamaica. And me say blood clot, dirt side, bitch. Don't fucking call me name.
Bagamouth. Fretdem you favor Bagamouth. You favor Bagamouth, Fretdem.
I'm not gonna lie.
Fretdem you favor standing, cocky and running blood clot discharge. Fretdem move your handicap looking dinko dinko na blood clot,
Well,
Fretdem.
and then about a tiny turn.
Who the fuck is Fretdem? I'm tired with tell you, hey girl, can you be murder your blood clot? Can you? Let me tell you, no. Who not fear some dangerous blood clot game with me? I'm not telling you. But now, like Mr. Kandy,
Bagamouth.
I want to come out and show all the fucking world. So Kandy, spread it on your motherfucking live. Tell all these bitches that want to see Fretdem famous leg that they said it's so fucking infected. Because me never know say people have infected legs. And if people legs is fucking rotten. All the fuck.
Who's that, Chin?
People remember, me have the best blood clot insurance. Me have Blue Cross, Blue Shield.
Say them at Blue Cross tie up your blood clot, big bang belly. You have size 6, I have size 12 belly.
Canada, I used to have I always used to spell again SONTE. I think me still have my old card. Yeah, they have good. Yeah, big pussy girl chin.
I don't know that. They will know Blue Cross.
You are your blood clot clappy friend them. So Kandy, you said the bitch them a listen right. So bitch, you said girl run me down out of building with swords. So how come? Who did not catch that on camera? And when this happened? Tell me when this happened because taking up. I mean like to come out and show things, you know. You know, understand. Take off. You is a wrinkle up blood clot girl. We are 48 years old.
What
Take
Keiko?
your
What
You
Keiko?
are part of the Golden Girls, bitch. You are part of the Golden Girls. So me not understand when you want to come argue with the dolly.
Not sure. Craft Market Dolly. All the blood clot is.
You're a white lady. You're a raw blood clot me. Here come one to your wedding picture. You say you're married for 10 years. Keiko, I'm married for 10 years. You see I want to see your wedding picture, Keiko.
And your man couldn't bail you out.
Pancake, yes, daughter. Keiko, I know you feel hurt when I told you will never get a daughter. Keiko is the living truth. Keiko, you will never get a granddaughter. Your fucking DNA dead, bitch. Bitch, your DNA blood clot dead.
Count your days, friend.
Your DNA dead. Moving not your blood clot. Your DNA dead.
Body mouth say put the foot.
Never put on a picture up next to my fucking picture. You always have to try to screenshot or do something. You know, see, that's why the girl come talk about say them investigate me. So if them investigate me, no Kandy tell me. When me put up on ear
Kandy entertain I'm gone.
You
She get on my nerves. Yeah, I don't want to hear her.
Yeah, man, I'm gone, Brittany.
Quarry dead.
Okay.
Quarry dead for $5,000 to blood clot. And Quarry mama they even wants to the aspirin them where you see after Quarry. You see her tonight, Kandy. She gonna drink a whole two buckle of them blood clot, big buckle any day. One big buckle any she gonna take on some coke, some seasoned blood clot clip. One gonna take some serious clip. Move your dirty blood clot, you're pussy. You come tell lie on the Kandy Lake show. The biggest lie that ever told on the Kandy Lake show. I think this is the second biggest lie that ever told on the Kandy Lake show. Is when you said I never came to your house to whoop your fucking ass so the whole world could see. Bitch, and when I'm done, Kandy Lake, I'm gonna send you the recording when you call me Fretdem! And that fucking the blood clot in the can't find it on one of them.
All me know is me one ear.
Let me say I can't find it.
I could have me alone over here. I don't care.
Come back, they're gonna kill you.
When I have to hear what people are saying. I can't just a cuss a galang,
can't
so.
name it to the police. I wish page you did that one again. Make her find it. Make her find it. Make her blood clot find it. If me not find it on that page, yeah.
And the people them want ear too.
Alright, let me
Nobody now left. Just show Berry.
That's why you need to go clean up. Chin, look under your data.
She has showed chin data up top
there, clean up that. Kiss me blood clot, watch drunk, I never even know so nasty the picture kill. Chin, you should have be ashamed. Woman, go and go clean up that room there. Go and go clean up that room there.
Barry look like Jesus.
Go and go clean up that room. The whole land I say I gotta see if I find the blood clot recording. I gotta see if I find it. If I don't find the recording, I'm gonna send it to the Kandy Lake show. I'm gonna send it to you when she come call me and I say, oh, she gonna shoot. Remember, me still have them. Me still have them. Yeah, big pussy in a real life. Yeah. About 8 months. So people all the time, the picture them a show. So hold on, me never know. I'm going to find different picture to show, man. Hold on the people. Hold on there. Hold around there. All this time, I never even know the picture show. Oh, me just realized why me never realized it because me black it. Look at this. Erica, oh, you for blood clot talk together, you always in a blood clot glasses. Eh? You always in a blood clot glasses. You see the wonder? Oh, you for blood clot talk to me. And you big dirty stinking obadoba blood clot girl when you Susie. But all over the place. You big dirty stinking Susie. Susie, when you look at your blood clot arm, your arm is my motherfucking leg. Bitch, your lumpy and favor blood clot bulga. People look, the Erica license plate, there was somebody saying, come give me. People look on the old car with Erica drive. Look on the old car. Erica, come show your car. Remember your love is so. That's why I try to show you. Say, people, Erica can't show a picture. Mistake. When the people them send me and say, yeah, license plate there. And send me a blood clot. Chicken to them were big and little to blood clot. I show them with shape just like, look on the car where Erica drives. Look at that piece of old beat up blood clot. Yes, people, see that there? Look at that.
Me not see nothing look. Our camera off. She probably
people, me 10 step ahead of you. I saw it that time to use blood clot that information to get blood clot back. But me telling you, me not new to this, me true to this. When I come talk about come out and show. Let's do blood clot show to show since you no want show. Erica with the cyclops blood clot, yeah. Erica, look how you're ugly. Erica, you can't stop talking to nobody, Erica. Erica, you're the ugliest blood clot, yeah. Let me go down to the cokehead cake now. Let me show you a cake of blood clot, cokehead cake. Okay, you can't talk to nobody. Hold on, let me go down to the cokehead, yeah. Cokehead. hold on the people.
Turn on the camera, we not see nothing.
Erica, Kandy Lake show.
She has short, Ras, but the camera turn off. Okay, turn on now.
Kandy Lake show, can you see that now? That's Erica Cokehead blood clot sister. Those are Erica two sister. The brown one with the bag married to a blood clot old man to get the papers. And the old man pity them that she never get no papers. So that's why she always feel like say, my husband or me married to pretend blood clot. Yes, me never know that 10 years they take to get paper. The Erica sister there, the brown one and the black one. The black one is a cool. We sell pussy run a back wall a blood clot Jamaica. Hold on, let me show more picture. Hold on. Come down the line. Hold on there. Y'all can't talk to me. Big dirty stinking Suzy Q. Back up was Suzy Q. Remember you have a DNG and a blood clot, you know. DNG under you. That's a Erica old car. Erica see your old blood clot car there. Erica, me not drive all under. Erica, me tell you, let's do the horse challenge. Erica, let's do the horse challenge. Let's do the car challenge. Everybody knows the name Erica Sanders. You're born July. And Erica, you're 48 years old. Remember, me can't put up all of the information because when you feel like...
You soon turn on the camera and she move it license plate.
When you not try to put up Derek information and we screenshot stuff for your page, yes, dirty stinking bitch, you can't hide. Everybody don't know your blood clot name already. Erica with the cyclops guy. Look at Erica big old body. People look how Erica look like a blood clot Barbie. When a Barbie go next to the fire and the whole item melts. Erica, come out, come show them picture. Erica, look. You have an all red Erica and a black brassiere. You have an Erica, you couldn't even find a red brassiere to go with you. Erica, you marble blood clot, yeah, girl. You know Stevie Wonder, what's the name doctor? You always wear blood clot glasses. You can't talk to nobody in big dirty stinky nasty girl. That's something I just show one. Why can't show enough? Hold on there. I'm going to go down again. Look on Erica. Look on the eye. The Erica eye, the over the side we have the part people that are the blind blood clot eye. Erica, you girl with blood clot bleach. Now I'm going to show you when you did that Jamaica. Erica, and we want to talk again, Erica. Let's do in your mouth challenge, Erica, because your side, the side of your mouth, Erica, now not teeth, Erica. So we are going to do all of this on the Kandy Lake show. We are going to show everything on the Kandy Lake show. Because we know so the people them well want blood clots in my foot. Yes, Erica, to the side of your mouth, they will lick out Erica. Erica, look how you look like a cokehead. Erica, you have to sit down, Erica. Erica, your chest and your blood clot neck in a blood clot one, Erica. Erica, when you're not lick out, when nobody not get them back to work to lick out no more, you can't buy bleaching cream. Erica, remember the man say you come with your dirty blood clot roach. Microwave, Erica. Erica, the man say you don't know if you use your pussy. I want friend Derek so Derek can release the blood clot video. Erica, all you have to come talk to girl. When man say your microwave full of a blood clot roach. In dirty woman, dirty Erica, you can't talk to no girl. When your ex-man bring you the blood clot down. Erica, the man say you used to make your son wear him breathe. Oh, you have to talk to blood clot me. Oh, you have to talk to me. In blood clot, crooked Erica. Erica, see you there again. Cyclops, yeah, Erica. Erica, your eye can't blood clot blink. Oh, you have to talk to no girl, boy. Erica, come out, come take off the glasses. Show Kandy say your eye can't blink. And that's what I do. Show for blood clot, show. We want to do a show for show. You want to Fretdem foot, come out, Fretdem. I want to show the people them your eyes. Remember, Erica. Erica, we want to show your big backy man blood clot on the Erica. Erica, come out, come to a Tyler where you can't show. Remember, you don't have custody for Tyler. You own your blood clot. Tyler the Tylist. You don't have custody for your son, Tyler, the floor blood clot Tyler. Me, I don't pick this stuff. Your mother have to come out, come blood clot like me. Any girl talk about my fitness, come ask by them. Me not ask Christ. Yeah, me not ask blood clot Christ. Me not ask Christ for blood clot cokehead. Erica, oh, you for no, Erica, look for your foot. Let me move the comment. Comment off. Erica, look for your foot. Erica, look for your blood clot foot. You say you're hot girl. Erica, at night, what you doing a blood clot glasses? I see you. Come like blood clot Martin. I see you. Erica, you can't show your body. Erica, don't be your old picture you have to show. Come on, come show your big dirty blood clot stinking nasty body, big dirty stinking bitch. Come on, come show your big dirty stinking self. Everywhere you go, you have to put on glasses. Erica, you know the $3 and $4 blood clot glasses. Them. Erica, you can't talk to no girl. Erica, I want it to have on. Erica, where you go? Erica, oh, your blood clot chin so long and big old. Erica, where you go? Erica, where you going? This chin me I come back round to you. But I just Erica down the line now. Look for your blood clot.
People,
look for your chin long, no blood clot and favor hammer. How where you going a granny dress and granny baby wear them here? Girl, you can't talk about nobody. Remember, I know you're trying to trick Derek. And Derek realized that you don't have no money. And the man have to lick your blood clot because the man tell that you cut him back the wall. The man tell that him back here chafe up by you. The man tell that him back the Erica. You always talk about girl red boot. Erica, what kind of boot them ya? Erica, what kind of boot them there, Erica? Erica, you always call girl red boot. Kandy be fear now. What kind of red boot them the Erica about? Never show you chin blood clot red boot too. Or always talk about girl red boot. Where you go? I wish still you have a blood clot kick out with them red boot the Erica. And Erica them your old picture. See the same blood clot Tony Ray, yeah, where you did one. And Tony Ray never want them. Kiss me blood clot. Murder. Them say murder. The same man with them attack boss. Look and see a red boat. Erica talk about your red blood clot boat. Erica, we are going to do this contest. Let's go, the Kandy Lake. Erica, you say you're at y'all. Erica, I think when oodles and noodles are way upon head. Erica, remember your pussy shit up. Erica, remember your baby father is a well-known batty blood clot, man. Tyler Sanders is a batty blood clot, baby. Erica, come out, your baby father, they will sign your blood clot, baby, and birth certificate. Where you come talk about Tyler blood clot Sanders father, batty man. Batty blood clot man, him father told you where by father 1 year, well from Brooklyn. You are going to get the name of batty man. Girl, where you say? Where you say my pussy no shit up? Eh? First of all, June, she can't tell June to come off and no lie. Then I report the blood clot here. Brash, me I go show you. Brash, how much you want bet right now? Me just get a text. So you tell June to come off of the line.
I'm going to say nobody else no over there.
I bet you any money when we come off of the phone, you never tell June to block you and call you and say you know this a black. Me tell June if you block your page, God page off and page. Brash, go back the look and tell me say you don't get black. Tell me say you don't get black, Brash.
I told me like bathroom.
Tell me. Erica, you love to talk about girl. What go with your sister eyebrow, Erica? Erica, what go with your sister blood clot eyebrow or your sister eye? You want to marry for the green card and the man no give the green card. Eh? That's on the blood clot earth. Eh? You come talk about Joe can't come off and no blood clot. Like me tell you to block your big pussy girl. And then you're not getting no birthday money, me I go show you. Me, I go show you. Watch them come off of it. As a matter of fact, let me just rub things some blood clot more. Let me just rub things some blood clot more and show the old blood clot girl Keiko. And the coat egg girl me I look for. Keiko, the Keiko picture, yeah. Kandy ask Keiko why this is in blood clot 2019 and why she melt down. Ask Keiko why the fuck she melt down because of COVID and she then want to ask can do a smoke blood clot coke. Keiko come answer this blood clot picture. Keiko come smile for the Kandy Lake store and come show them the fake teeth them what you're having at the front. Kandy, Keiko, front teeth them is blood clot fake. Let's all do the challenge. Come out and let's do the smile. Let's do the deed. Let's show in your house. Keiko in your house. Empty no blood clot. That's why you always are show in your kitchen. Keiko, you need some grocery. Keiko, you need some fucking furniture, bitch. Kandy, we want to do all of this on your show. Call them bitches out. Big face, Brassy. Lords of the ring, Brassy. And when time I don't never call you, so I come back for live with you. I come back for live with you. I said, you me get a text? I said, Brassy, you come on for live. So I wonder if that's what you do. I say, your page now. Yeah, you can't drive them. You as a blood clot, choose my side. Tell you to not get no money, bitch, so you're not getting no money. Your birthday come up and you try to soup him up. You still not get no money.
Brash, if you try and get some money, make we see how it go.
Come out and talk about this. Keiko, come out, come talk all your blood clot so shrink down to this. Keiko, come talk all your blood clot skin so loose. All your skin so loose like a Mary pussy jar. And that's the whole I ask you. Come talk all your skin. Come talk how you went from that to this, Keiko. Keiko, come and talk about that. Come talk about blood clot that Keiko. Eh? Keiko, come and talk about that blood clot. Come and come explain to the Kandy Lake how you melt down. Why you melt down so? Look for the cokehead, y'all. Keiko, you need some glasses. Keiko, look for your blood clot gun. Keiko, you pick your daughter about 15 now and still a put her pick up her pussy. Keiko, oh Keiko, suck it. Yes, Keiko, I saw your stuff good. Look at you, I wonder why the man left you. I wonder why you have to get from blood clot. I just try to find a life. If I saw your blood clot up there, you say you're there with man 10 years. Look how you're nasty and shit. Look how your blood clot look like a granny. In Keiko, that's why no man no want you. This why no man wants you nasty stinking girl. That's why no man no want you. That's why no man no want your blood clot. Yeah, that's why no man want you, bitch. No man no want blood clot you. Eh? Which fucking man want you? Now, Keiko, that's your pussy. Look at your pussy.
Wait, oh my God. This girl.
Pussy. Look at Keiko hair.
As soon as me walk where she show Keiko pussy.
And he send your pussy all over the place. Keiko, your pussy don't look appealing.
I can't bother.
Move your dirty blood clot from here. Now I'm going to find the video with that before you doing your pussy.
I don't know what Fretdem I try to do to my life, you know. It's so fast me run back.
The only fan pussy where you're not making money. That's why you come and bag stuff. Because when you go for only fan, you swear to God you was going to make money. You think that you was going to make a blood clot money with your only fan pussy. Keiko, look for your pussy ugly. Boy, you send your pussy to married man. And I come talk about say you married. No, me no.
Me no.
Again. Look, punching. So, all you see in a competition.
She better don't come back with no pussy, nothing.
Why you always in a running mode? Why you always in a animal get set, let's go, and your blood clot Shakari? You always in a animal get set, but you always a come Shakari. In chin, me no say, can you ever keep them picture ya? So when you go rub out your blood clot.
I'm not a rubber double.
Yeah.
Not
Look for your
nobody.
blood clot or your favorite iron donkey, girl. You know, your dentist to your blood clot body. Which doctor can really, you can't say you pay $10,000 for doctor to your body like so, and you come out looking like that. And the video me I look for with Keiko pussy on hold on.
With Keiko what?
Keiko
Oh my
pussy me I try
God.
to look for.
We can't even get the food in our feed.
Hold on there. But I have to find this man. I try to find the video when the girl have a dildo up in her hole.
No. Oh
dildo,
shit.
No, I'm gonna write some
Oh shit.
Alright, hold on there.
Wait.
When the girl have the dildo, where the man?
That girl should promise
I can't find it.
Me sorry people.
Let me see. Never say me can't find it through this.
No,
Yeah.
sir. I don't want that shit pop up.
The dildo up in her big hole. The big blood clot hole, girl. That's the I want to find. In the meantime,
no, but make me see.
Big fierce Brasky. She hurt because she not get the money for her birthday. You can't say there's no blood clot money. But you're big brother. You're rich. I have both God. Oh God. Brasky, you know, since you want to talk, you
Brash,
say your
try
name
get
is
some
not
money,
Deborah,
make me
right?
see it,
You was
yeah.
the one who said your name was Deborah, right? Get the fuck out of here, bitch. Get the fuck out of here. And when them Google thing too, Mary Oren mother, your mother old and tough, no blood clot. Your mother need a bra. Your mom need a bra. Go buy your mother some, go buy Eggy some blood clot, bra. Me not lie, your uncle in England take care of your mother. That's why she don't look tree bad. But she needs some teeth in her blood clot mouth front. And she needs some bra. See, that's the when no one nobody to see. See the when the when give ears. That's the when. Me still look for the picture. That's the when give ears. Yeah, Barry, that's the blood clot when
you pay attention.
Eh? Your sister will walk and still pussy and leave
want
the
to
for your mother. You come talk about your son. Your son, my motherfucking ass. Look at you, you infected. Look at you, you don't even have a meal to motherfucking eat, bitch. Bitch, you don't have a meal to eat. Look at you, you're suffering from malnutrition. You understand? People will get up and eat blood clot, ketchup and spaghetti. Oh, you have to talk to girl. You never can show a blood clot good meal yet. So all you have to come argue with girl. Eh? You live in an attic. Wait, Mr. means a blood clot, baby. Come out and come show. Come out and come blood clot show. When I say, babe, you're there Jamaica, you used to live like this. You come America, you still live like blood clot shit. So what you say? You can't go that today. Take a big son. Oh man, only because I can't show the son. Your son have a big face just like blood clot cheese. Our son is the dark version of she with a big blood clot nose. You just love talk about Dr. Love nose big, Keiko nose, son nose big, no blood clot. Him nose big, bigger than a bell blood clot pepper. Bell blood clot pepper nose the dirty man have. Look when the disease start take over them, what you expect? When the disease start take over them dirty people, them can't talk to nobody. Them can't talk to nobody. While we're hungry, no blood clot, they even have clothes. Every day them come on live, them can't show them blood clot clothes. Them can't show themselves. Them can't show them blood clot self. Oh, all them for blood clot show themselves. Kandy, let me know if you can hear. Yes, this your quest. See your man rub your. Erica, come show in your house. Come show in your blood clot house. The very orange sister there. See the little blood clot, big head boy, our very feet. Very Jerome Cornell Francis. You cannot put your blood clot America. You know, say Rachel I got blood clot from you. Rachel just away for the opportunity to run over the border. Barry come showing her the blood clot at it. Barry me have a picture of the police coat. The picture orange blood clot coat. Where you were like thinking no blood clot. Dirty Berry, your orange sister were infected no blood clot. When I take your ass son, move your dirty blood clot. Which girl with an out of their mind to make you compound them? Which blood clot girl? Which blood clot girl? Bury your clothesless. Bury your blood clot clothesless. You need some clothes. All you do, you walk and pick up the clothes them. When the dirty people then put the
still
clothes
I show
on,
Berry and
then
Berry sister.
When you can come out and show some nice clothes, then you can talk to
or
me.
baby madam, I don't know who.
Then you can blood clot talk to me. Yes, my new house. My new house. That was my new house. My two blood clot eggs. Suck your mother and oh yeah, come. You big dirty stretch out pussy chin. Chin where everybody refuse that pussy at the blood clot brand. Chin, go back to the drawing blood clot board. You remind me of the Jamaican Michael Jackson and the Jamaican cause. They are the two most stupidest motherfucker me ever see. Go on back on the drawing board. First you tell me they are prison when I come out now, you come talk about girl, me don't know nobody when you blood clot. First, that's just from the story for them girl.
Did she just say when me come out?
And all the braids don't add up. Let's say you have bad blood clot girl and girl took your $1,000. Want to fight the girl and pay your $1,000 now? In Green Giant.
Dirty Dan just full amount.
How you feel? How you feel that you've been rubbed the fuck out? And you be telling all this fucking lies and lies. Bitches that have to tell lies. Oh, you thought I was going to answer. Oh, Brasty, you want to fucking play with me? Brasty, that's your fucking son, Brasty. Brasty, don't fucking play with me. Brasty, don't fucking play with me. Brasty, your son that's putting up the peace sign. That's the RETARTTD all the fuck way over him. Don't fucking play with me. So, bitch, now take a fucking plane and come to New York, bitch. I just show your kids, bitch. Come to New York. Come. Come so I can bust up your blood clot. Come. Come, Brasty, come. Brasty, remember, you know, them say them, you know my name. So take it and go file a complaint, Brasty. Brasty, your blood clot, pitney, them retarded. Move your blood clot. That's why, you know, that's why I realize that only girl, we don't want to show no pitney. I see the problem with no pitney. I see the problem with the pitney. I want to know why show the man. Remember, I know the sound of hot girl. When the sound of hot girl, but guess what? The last name not change. The same last name on the band with you no live with I same blood clot one and I go die with. Nobody no carry you down the road and say, you know what I want.
Lord, life done, people. Okay, the life done. Sorry, people. Maybe she'll come back after she calls you.
I want to keep over here, son.
Fretdem.
But just a too long jump out of my blood clot. Even I look on them, I just a too long drink my blood clot sister a while ago. I want dirty man remember when I jump out of my blood clot drink. I don't want to see where they end up. But it dream me get my love in it dream me get my sister. Hey, somebody I got dead in this blood clot, yeah. Listen, when nobody come and think about Fretdem and show me this and Fretdem and show me that, I'm come suck up me big thinking pussy. Who no show me that blood clot, if Fretdem have the short clot, show me son that whatever show. One of defend me for no blood clot, see me go suck on, not tell me nothing. I'm gonna eat up my pussy. My son look good. My son look good, and that's not my sister, that's my baby mother. I'm gonna tell you, sister, that's not my sister. My sister is a brown girl, like a white girl, brown along with long, pretty, nice hair, and slim and petty. That picture there with my son, that's my baby mama. Okay? That's not my sister. Argument, dude. Big up yourself, my mother. And time I don't have to you don't have no one, I don't come put no trace. So I couldn't put no trace, I'm saying I couldn't go and go beat up for them. Leave me alone, yeah. She could have showed him that and go to me if he say, oh, Fretdem them for class people pitney. And when your class back feeling people talk about, oh, in love about people pitney and the things them. One of the defend me now comments on the call in. One of the call blood clotting about the girl. So I mean I look for one of that time. Think me now watch you know. If you call in about calling for never about her blood clot. I said, so then I said Fretdem that jail.
Fretdem their yard.
Not that me want that's I mean not take yourself from people and mix up people say people wicked.
Me see her wall.
What should I have?
I don't know if she up. Never see she
Can I get the show video while I'm going to watch it? You know, see should I have? I'm
oh,
the phone. I'm the camera.
I always a walk from the phone though, so I'm not see everything.
My baby mother nice, pussy now, baby mother nice. My baby mother nice in the black glasses and say when she just come from America and she got a flanker and she take my son care got a flanker and say I'm upset with her, my love. Because when she take my son just go take up my son just and care got a flanker my son and she never pick my blood clad son. We can't go just go take my son to France so from one destination care got a flanker up then got done to for the bus. I think I want bus street and right the south of flanker one care one of the two I don't remember. My son nice to look at my son at 13. And every time I love my son at 13, a little baby that they a little pitney. So you know, see I hear a long time picture that beloved. I'm not busy for my show my son. I miss son, I put it on my face so I can take care of. But I had my baby. No love. And I hate my baby. I want to be there. Wish somebody you know me I write it sense of a blood clot somebody. Me have sense. You understand? Me I write it somebody me have sense. How the fuck me I go walk with that speed and take up clothes that girl to put on and wear? Me mad? Some people just start up some shit about your life. But I mean I follow Fretdem. Better pay a blood clot fabricated story. So I'm gonna beat up my chest or fabricated fake story. You're crazy. Because the Fretdem do a hard thing. They want to come back. The Fretdem want platform. And they don't get a platform for me. I mean, now go ride and die with their yellow go ride and die. But say anytime I go dead, me know like me know it's funny for me name is Rachel. I say me dress my big sister Sunny a while ago. Para road me a walk you know. I made it on the road. And I sit there, she a tell me about blood clot Red Bull Tanya. And that she a tell me about the dream. And I say me I listen to the dream if you say how far this a dream I go. And this blood clot man ring me phone and bitch up out of my blood clot. Dream but me you see. But me fit you. She tell me about Tanya directly. Tanya name called me dream a while ago. Say, God, I'm not telling no lie. I swear from my life. The dream to my big sister. I'm a company like Mr. Fretdem over there. They call me name.
Yep.
Just a while ago, one man ring me pan face with me from the blood. Right now, we can see the screen.
So Fretdem and China and Keiko wherever face off from my life. I know if you're missing her.
The Fretdem call in.
Yeah.
And nobody not call me.
Yeah, me call you. Look why you want your page them, me send you live. People them say you sleep.
I'm going to rest in peace, that. When I rest in peace, I don't know what she's end up.
Yeah, cause Dana fucking the Golden Girls come for Navlet.
You're there.
Then come cost Navlet. That and the Fretdem calling the pan one live.
You're there. So the rubbish up on your life with them. Don't take the battlefield.
Man, everybody I cuss at the same time. It wasn't peaceful. Everybody I cuss at one. And then Fretdem hang up and Chin start play some voice note with the woman. I Fretdem a session of their jail.
So the Fretdem that miss you. Kirby walk, the Fretdem that miss you to
Well, the people then when say a phone call she get, but she just did a whole hour live, hour ad.
You're lucky.
And the walls I saw was in no prison wall.
Fretdem don't know nothing about blood club if you talk about me love. I tell her
But it is get deal.
when she asks me, that's not my sister, baby. I can post my sister picture on Instagram right now and make Fretdem get my real sister. I can post her now. I'll buy now hide. That nice. I baby mother look good no blood clot. Man, ask Christ. Please my baby mother now. Them they are back in the days picture where I say baby mother you back in the days. Please they are now. Can
Live upload down shit.
Can me I go send you all block me. But if I me I go post the baby mother for my blood clot Facebook for my Instagram today. Oh, she look now. Them the days my baby mother when she black right there, so back in the days, a long time blood clot feature. Them they are flanker settings.